Hello, welcome. Let's make some chicken Alfredo with barbitas. First, let's show off some ingredients. How about we start with some chicken thighs from Costco, Kirkland. Then we have some great value linguine, 1 bell pepper, my favorite, the Classico Alfredo, roasted garlic Alfredo and creamy Alfredo. Mix them together. Then we got some Goya, Sazonador, some Kirkland garlic, broccoli. Lay your chicken down, cut off all that fat, if you like. Now we go ahead and just stab your chicken with a fork, just like this. Then you're gonna flip it over and do the exact same thing. Flip and stab, flip and stab. Yep. Then we're going to go ahead and drizzle some olive oil on there. Rub that old olive oil in real good. Salt. Season it with salt. Then paprika. Then garlic. These your Sazonador total. And then you're gonna do it again. Flip that chicken over. It's already stabbed, so all you gotta do is put your olive oil, and then boom, your seasonings. Put it on a plate, wrap it in saran wrap, and let it marinate for a little while. Go ahead and cut your bell pepper now. I like to cut the top, the bottom, slice in the middle, cut it in half. I like to get the inner parts out. Cut about a 1/4 inch or so, whatever you like. Cut them into strips, just like this, and then I cut them into little squares for a nice little bite-sized crunch. Go ahead and start your water for your noodles. Grab that broccoli, chop that up a little bit. Just, for a more even cook. What I do with this is I spray the broccoli with oil, put salt, and then garlic, rub it together. And I didn't show it, but then I put it in the air fryer. I don't remember how long or the temperature, but do keep an eye on it. Add some butter to your pan and some olive oil, let it melt down, put a little bit more seasonings, garlic, and thyme. Now lay that chicken down. Ooh, water's boiling. Let's throw in the noodles. Flip that chicken over. Already looking delicious. It's gonna say nice and juicy. Go ahead and start warming up your Alfredo sauce. Don't put it on high. Put it on like maybe medium-low for a little bit, and then keep it on low. Flip that chicken over again. Check it. Oh, noodles are done. Let's throw in some olive oil and mix it up. Flip that chicken one more time. Oh, no, not that one. Now, it's time to plate. Go ahead and sprinkle some Parmesan. And then, some Cayenne pepper, if you like a little kick. Delicious. And then some creamy Alfredo, noodle, chicken thighs, air-fried broccoli, and a bite-sized crunch of bell pepper. Here, have a bite. Just for you. Oh, sorry, let me get that again. Here. Yep. Here you go. Here's a better bite. Just for you. Hope you liked and enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Until next time.